Cheerio, blokes and birds.
I'm Abby.
And I'm Brie.
And today we're going to teach you how to British yawn.
It's tricky, but you'll get it.
So to start us off, why don't you give us an example, Brie?
I'd love to. Be charmed. So, to begin, just take a deep breath and... Bob's your uncle.
Queen of England.
God's wallop.
It's a pirate British. I'm knackered tonight.
So those are a few of the most common British yawns, but it changes depending on what dialect
in
England.
Yes. So join in next time to learn some more British things from here in Britain.
For practical British lifestyle.
Yes, we're two British people living in England, and
we're signing off.
Goodbye, mates.
Adios.